to be an artist is a wholeness. To be in relationship with yourself as an artist, you take up the relationship. So now is the time for stillness. Now is the time for quiet. Now is the time to sit with yourself and to feel the things that you feel, and which means there's certain things that you have to turn the volume up on, especially if the artist is feeling really afraid. I experience a lot of artists who are afraid to be seen. That sometimes I find is tied with this like intensity that I meet with younger artists who are worried about something that they call their brand, right? And so one of the things I say is, are you making the work? Like, what are you making? Is there a space where the artist can go to just be themselves with like a single piece of paper, and where there can be space for feeling? Like, how do you feel right now? Make something about how you feel. Like, it's really methodical, right? Do you feel sad? Okay, let's make a sad work, because you actually have to give your, like, turn up the resonance in your nervous system, because fear is quite a deafening force.